gets in, now at 14-10. Starters orders, away they jump out, and missing the jump by about 5 to 6 lengths was Amazing Power, but sorting themselves out. Slow pace set by Cheyenne, leads by 2.5 in front of. Held in second is True Heaven, followed by Vijay Splendor. Looking for Love has taken a good jump this time, up with the pace, running a close fourth, followed by Shades of Victory. 3 to 4 lengths behind comes Amazing Power. Striding past the 2,000 meter marker now, with Cheyenne in the lead by about 1.5 lengths in front of Vijay Splendor. Well in second, Looking for Love held in third. About 2.5 to 3 lengths behind there is True Heaven, who has dropped back to be fourth, and towards the fence comes Shades of Victory. 3 to 4 lengths behind is Amazing Power. In the slow run race, with Cheyenne in the lead by about 1 length in front of Vijay Splendor. Another length behind is Looking for Love. 2.5 to 3 lengths behind is Shades of Victory. Another 2 away, True Heaven, followed by Amazing Power. Back to the leader now, and as they strike towards the mile marker, crossing the 7 furlong marker, and the leader is Cheyenne by about 1.5 lengths in front of Vijay Splendor. Another 1.5 to 2 lengths behind is Looking for Love. 2 to 3 lengths behind Shades of Victory, followed by Amazing Power being pushed, and a drop back to be last. 3 lengths behind is True Heaven. They are running 1 back to 1 with Cheyenne in the lead by about 1.5 lengths in front of Vijay Splendor, always in pursuit. Another 1.5 lengths behind there is Looking for Love, followed by held in fourth. Is pulled up there is Shades of Victory, now being overtaken on the outside by Amazing Power. Another 5 to 6 lengths behind is True Heaven. But Cheyenne continues to lead the field by about 1 length in front of Vijay Splendor, followed by Looking for Love. Another length behind is Shades of Victory, regaining the fourth spot, followed by Amazing Power. Running out of gas, 2 away is True Heaven. But as they continue the journey towards the turn, now it's Cheyenne in the lead by 3/4 of a length in front of Vijay Splendor, followed by Looking for Love. Another 2 away is Shades of Victory. Another 3 to 4 lengths behind comes True Heaven, followed by Amazing Power. But inside the last 2 furlongs now, Vijay Splendor takes the charge from Cheyenne, followed by Shades of Victory, ridden out, picking up momentum, followed by Hard Ridden is Looking for Love. But inside the last 2 furlongs, the 1 furlong now, Shades of Victory takes the charge from Vijay Splendor, battling back on the inside, followed by Cheyenne. 3 away is Looking for Love, but inside the last 100 meters now, and Shades of Victory on the outside. Vijay Splendor, these two are going hammer and turn, but Vijay Splendor neck in front of Shades of Victory. Vijay Splendor gets it by a neck in front of Shades of Victory, followed by far away third was Cheyenne. They followed then by Looking for Love, True Heaven, then came Amazing Power.